Hello guys, hi, how are you? I hope you are doing great and fit as fiddle in this pandemic. Today, this is Singh Bharat and I would like to share with you uh, something fascinating thing and about Swami Vivekanand. And because as we know, today is the 159 birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekanand. So, being the follower of the Swami Vivekanand, I would like to share something and talk about something Swami Vivekanand. As we know, Swami Vivekanand has been and is the source of inspirations for us and for all the Indian, and not only India but also across the world. The people are following and going through his ideas, and in these ideas, in this list of the followers, not not only a very simple human being are in, but also Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. There are so many prominent personality we will find if we will try to do research on that. I would like to give you some example, some quote which was stated by the Rabindranath Tagore about the Swami Vivekanand. Once Rabindranath Tagore said, "You, we all are supposed to go through the Swami Vivekanand teaching, his ideas. We will find in that everything is everything positive, nothing negative." And Subhash Chandra Bose once said, and Subhash Chandra Bose is very interesting. I think there are a very less number of the people who know about that. That Subhash Chandra Bose, who is considered the father of the Constitution of the India, who considered Swami Vivekanand his spiritual teacher, his spiritual master, and he said, if Swami Vivekanand had been alive, I would at his feet. So now you can say how much he had a respect towards the Swami Vivekanand, and in the same way, in the same feelings, when Mahatma Gandhi wanted to visit Swami Vivekanand, to meet Swami Vivekanand, and that's why in 1901, when he visited West Bengal. So he also at the very same time when as he visited Belur Met too, but at that time Swami Vivekanand was at Kolkata, and Mahatma Gandhi got disappointed because he he read about Swami Vivekanand a lot, and he was fascinated and he was inspired a lot from the Swami Vivekanand. So he didn't able to meet because of Swami Vivekanand at that time was ill and not visiting the visitors. So Mahatma Gandhi got back to Delhi, and then when Swami Vivekanand passed away recently uh, in 1992 near about, and Mahatma Gandhi have been invited by the uh, invited to the Belur Mutt to attend his birth anniversary. And when Mahatma Gandhi visited Belur Mutt and stated he written down in the visitors book, and what was those lines are, after going through Swami Vivekanand, my love towards my country become 100,000 fold. So means Swami Vivekanand, we can't say only Swami Vivekanand inspired the youth, and we can also, but also he have inspired and instilled the patriotism into the mind of the people, and some great personality like father of the nation and father of the Indian constitutions. And there are so many examples before us. If we will try to dig out, we will find so many things. And so that's all about that. So today we are celebrating the 159 birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekanand. Glad to talk about him because he has been always epitome for the Indian youth, for the youth, and will be for always. So thank you so much, and I would like to finish that video by reading out by uh, by reading one quote of Swami Vivekananda: "Arise, awake, and not stop till the goal is reached." Thank you so much from the deep part of my heart.